Okay, my dear students. So today we will discuss about the table concepts of HTML. Okay. So this is Sharam Krishna B. So now today I would like to explain tables in our HTML. So table concept is most important in our HTML. So and it is very useful for to creating the HTML web pages. So today our object is to discuss importance about table and table tags and attributes of table tags. Okay, the tables. So already everybody knows about what is table. Table is combination of rows and columns. But in our HTML, tables is most useful and most important for arranging our information in structural format. For systematic arrangement of information, we often require table structure. Okay, in our HTML, by using table structure, we have to arrange our information in systematic manner. So the biggest advantage of using tables on the web is that information gets arranged systematically manner. So our tag is table. The HTML table tag in our HTML is table. So tables. In the table already you have to know. So table is combination of rows and columns. Same like that in our HTML, table also consists of some elements. So that are tr, th and td. Tr is element, defines a table row. Th is a table header. So td is nothing but define a table cell. Okay. Tr is table row, th is table header and td is defines a table cell. So here just one example I will explain clearly. So here I have mentioned our tables.html. This is our table and then here just see body table border equals to 1. That means here border. Just see this. This is the border. So whenever you have to mention the border one, it displays the one thick format of border. And then next tr and the table, that is table row. So in the table row, first table row. So tr in the th, that is table heading. So table heading. So first heading is CSC and then th, second heading is IT and th, third heading is MEC. So that means in the first table row have to define 3 headings. So here CSC, IT and MEC. So CSC, IT, MEC was defined in our heading format. That purpose it will be displayed in a bold format. So here first row is complete. Whenever you have to open the first row, after inserting the data, the row should be closed. So here I have mentioned closing of tr. Then next open second row. So that means this is the second row of data tr. So in that we have to define data. That means table data in the cells format. That means tr equals to td 360. So that 360 is placed in second row of first table data cell. And then td close. And then open td. So in the second row for that means second column. So the table data is 180, that will be inserted. The next third column, second row, that means 360 will be inserted. After completion of this row, the row will be closed. Then once you have to execute it, the output will be displayed like this. So with the help of elements and then properties, you can create the tables and arrange the data in systematic manner. You can create more number of tables and you have to insert the more number of data in systematical manner. So that is the main use of tables. So now we have to discussing about the attributes of table tag. Have to align the first of all, these are the tags related to our table. So that means table align left, right, center. For example, here table space align and then equals to left. I have to mention here table is an tag, align is an attribute, left is a value. Then the table is aligned. That means table is displayed at the left side of the web page. Okay, and then you have to define the background color for table also. So you have to use the table bg color. Okay, you have to give the RBG color, that means 250, 160, 180. So R value, otherwise you have to give the ASCII values, that means color code values, or otherwise you can give the color name. You have to give the border 0, 1, 2. So 0 means no border, 1 means the border layout will be started. Cell padding and cell spacing, that means cell padding specifies the space between the cell wall and the cell content. Okay, cell wall and cell content, the space will be displayed. Cell spacing specify the spaces between the two cells, that means cell spacing, that means the space is arranged between these two, that means cell spacing. Cell padding, the space is arranged between these cells. Okay, that is the cell padding. And then width, you have to specify the width of the table. Okay, these are the attributes of the table. And then attributes of the table row, that means TR. So you can also define the attributes for TR also. So you have to give the attribute align, that means if you want to display the table row at the only left side, then you have to give the TR align equals to left. Then also you have to specify the background color also for table row. And then V align, that means to vertical align the content in the table row. Okay, if you want to align the vertically data in the table row, then you have to give the V align. So that is V align is for the vertical align. Then next, also the attributes for TH and TV, that means table heading and table data also consists of some attributes. So that are all the align, BG color, row span, that means specify the number of row cells should be span. That means row span is nothing but to combine the span. Okay, that means what are the number of rows to be spanned. So that is nothing but row span. Okay, so these are all the attributes and the table concepts of our HTML. Okay, in the next video I will explain the one example in practically regarding to the table properties. Okay, thank you.